So number 3 is different. I had it on here as my practice problem, and it's like, oops, it's not the same. So Nick paid a total of 25, does that say 25, 63? Yeah, 68 for a game, including 7% tax. So this is the total with tax, not the total before tax. So that's different. What was the price before tax? So we're going to use a tape diagram like before. We go 0% to 100%. And then, so the 100% would be the price of the game before tax. But what we paid total with that 7% tax would be 107%. And that's what we will line up with the 2568. So instead of us giving us just the tax, they're giving us the total with tax. So we're going over 100%, which is totally possible. It just means this was a whole and then we're adding another piece. The cool thing about this is it still sets up a proportion. This over this equals that over that. So if I can get the picture set up, then my fractions will be set up correctly. So I'll have x over 100 equals 2568 over 107. And we can cross multiply. So I will have 107 times x equals, and that'll just give me 2,568. Just moves the decimal over. And you can't see what I'm writing. There we go. So I did this times this, that times that, cross multiply is what they call that. So I know that 107 times my mystery number x is 2,568. So the opposite of taking it times 107 is dividing it. So they say that's what you do to get this one off, and then you do it to this side to keep them the same. And it should come out 24. So $24 is that missing price. And we could check that too. We know that the tax is 7%. So if I take 24 times 0.07 and get this, and then add it to 24, I get 2568, which is correct. So I have to know kind of how the tax part works, and I've got to be really careful about how I'm reading the question.